Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'd like to personally thank our sponsors for sending us a box filled with artifacts from the Ming dynasty. So let's get this started. We got a custom Ming dynasty flag. Did you know that the Ming dynasty was a powerful empire that was around during 1368 to 1644 AD? It was located where we call today Nanjing and Jiangsu. Another artifact about a map about the Ming dynasty. The red is where they ruled over. Do you see this? That was a huge amount. It all started with Emperor Zhu Yangzheng. Zhu was the founder and first emperor of the Ming dynasty. He grew up a peasant and his family died of a disease. He later joined a local rebel group. He then later became its leader before he was 30, which was insane. He led them to take Nanjing. After that, for the next 10 years, he defeated all other powerful rival armies. Next, we have a picture of the weapons that they used. They had a sword, a huge sword, and some type of gun. The Ming dynasty had advanced and powerful weapons for its time, like the portable gun that was carried by cavalries. Next we have the peace symbol. But like all other great empires, they have a time when they settle down and focus on protecting their land. Like, for example, is one of the most famous ones of today, the Great Wall of China. The Ming dynasty built most of the Great Wall of China to defend themselves from raiders, invaders, and other things of that matter. The Ming dynasty was also known for its ceramics. The Ming dynasty made Chinese ceramics. It's especially famous for cobalt blue and white. The Ming dynasty porcelain had a major influence on the ceramics of many other countries like Japan and Britain today. The ceramics are still highly priced by collectors. Next, Next up we have is a book. Fun fact about books. The Ming dynasty's people read books for fun. The most famous at the time was novel books. Food also played a major role in the Ming dynasty. In the Ming dynasty, the people ate deer, chicken, pheasant, goose, duck, carp, golden carp, Mediterranean fish, bream, rabbit, and rice. During the Ming dynasty, the population of China doubled, aided by the increased production of rice. Not only that, but the Ming dynasty also had major influences on medicine. Shen Nung is ventured as the father of Chinese medicine. He is also believed to have introduced the technique of acupuncture. Chinese medicine reached its peak during the Ming dynasty when Li Shaishen wrote his the Great Herbal. But unfortunately, like all other good things, everything must come to an end. One of the major reasons they fell was because they ran out of money. Because of the huge armies they had, the constant disasters from the Ice Age, and fending off attackers like Mongol gangs. And it all ended with Emperor Shongzhen, the last emperor of the Ming dynasty. He killed himself. He killed himself because of the depletion of money and couldn't supply the troops. So the troops didn't obey his commands, and the troops started joining enemy troops. Also, the citizens got sick of the huge amount of taxes and joined rebel bands, and in 1644, several of his generals betrayed him. Then, after that, the rebel leaders captured Beijing, the capital. He then hanged himself.
Heard it?